Interviewing for product management roles is really hard and requires a lot of prep. In this video, I'm going to break down the PTC framework for interview prep so you can get the offers rolling in. If you're new here, my name is Akash Mehta and I'm a product manager at Okta in Silicon Valley. On this channel, I talk about ways that I'm leveling up my product management skills and career. Let's jump right in. Having been through many product management interviews on both sides of the table, I've distilled the product management cycle and interview process into three core aspects: product, technical, and culture fit, PTC. The first aspect is product sense or case study questions. Some companies use fictitious examples while some companies use real-world situations that they're actively dealing with. The frameworks remain the same. These are questions like build X for Y or product A is not having the impact that we envisioned. What would you do? The two books that are great resources for this type of question is Cracking the PM Interview and Decode and Conquer. Remember that there is no right single answer in these questions. The interviewer is trying to get a sense of how you would break down complex situations and problems into small, actionable chunks. So you want to be deliberate and structured in your answers, and that's what's most important to showcase in these types of questions. The second aspect is technical questions. Not all companies have technical rounds or technical questions, and what you need to keep in mind is for most PMs, coding is not a requirement. And so what you need to know is what is in the realm of possibility and broadly how code works. You won't be asked to actually write down code, but you would be asked to talk through how certain technologies work, like how does the internet work or what happens when I click this button on LinkedIn. The best resource I have found for technical questions is actually a Harvard course called CS50 for MBAs. Don't worry, you don't need to have an MBA to do this course, but this course is exactly geared towards technical questions in product management interview cycles. Quick plug, if you're getting any value from this video, hit that like button or subscribe for more content like this. The third aspect is culture fit types of questions. These questions will go through your resume, past failures, past achievements, impact, things that you have gone through in your past work experience, and insights and stories that can be drawn out from those. Go through your resume and have stories ready for every type of culture fit question. The two books from above have great resources for these types of questions as well, so look out for those. Culture fit questions also go through industry knowledge and company specific questions. I use TechCrunch and Stratechery to keep on top of some industry trends as well as a few other newsletters. For company specific questions, I look at the company's website, look at their YouTube video. A lot of companies are creating a lot of content online, and a lot of companies put their keynotes or customer conference videos on YouTube. So take a look at those to get a sense of how they think of their company, how they think of their industry, and what kind of problems they are trying to solve for their customers. It's really important to figure out what the company is trying to solve and where the company is positioning itself to its customers in its industry. Best of luck for your interviews. Set aside at least a couple of weeks to prepare for interviews and go through all of this content. You want to do a lot of mock interviews and a lot of sample questions. Here's 4 books that I think every product manager should read, and here's the most important resume item that product management interviewers and recruiters look for when looking at a resume.